Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to use your iPhone XS, XS Max or 10R to legit check with the anti-social social club that has a NFC tag on there, okay, right here. So first of all, you need to get your iPhone. Right, so go to your iPhone and then open your App Store. And you're gonna search anti-social social club app. Oop, social club. So that's this one right here, the second one, and then just click on get. So this is my wife's iPhone XS Max, so I will need to, or you could go to this URL right here. But I'll be back. Alright, so after we finish installing, then just click on open right here. And you gotta click on allow. So it says ready to scan. Touch the top rear of your phone to the anti-social social club tag. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Gonna get the tag, and then on the back of your phone, just touch it. So as you can see, it is verified. It is legit. This verified is legit or not. So it says legitimacy confirmed. So that means this is a real legit product. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out this one. This is the red one that I got. You gotta hit the check in order to go to the next to scan on the next one. So yeah, I gotta place it on the right location. Okay, so that one is legit. So it is a good idea if you purchase stuff online, eBay, and then Amazon or whatever app that you use. Once you get to that location, you want to go ahead and then scan it, but only the one with this tag. So you gotta put in a certain location, or it's not gonna pick up. I think somehow it needs to go up higher. So as you can see, it is legit. But I'm glad that anti-social social club is doing this. Hopefully, like a Supreme, Palace, and all other clothing company should follow the anti-social social club's footstep. So as you see, everything's legit. So this will prevent from scammer that's selling the fake one. So you don't get the fake one by the time you receive your product. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.